video. See, this is very sunny and nice outside here. And see, wow, we have so many wonderful, nice toys. They are very colorful, nice. And I am going to show you all of them one by one by hand driving. Let's drive them. Friends, see, the first one is a mountain car. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, this mountain car is looking very nice. See the color. Wow, this is very nice. Pink and green color combination. I think you friends like this one very much. It has four big tires, big wheels, and this can move very fast. I guess it can ride up high mountain very easily. That is why it is called a mountain car. So let's get the next one. Wow, this one is a cartoon car. Very nice. Let's drive this baby. Wow, friends, this nice cartoon car. See, this cartoon car is very happy. I think he is looking at us. It is looking at us and is smiling. See, this is very nice and funny. Yellow and green color. Four big wheels under it. I think it can run very fast, as you can see. Wow, this is very nice sound. Very soothing sound. I think you friends like this one too. So let's drive the next one. Wow, this one is a police car. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, see, this police car has a little switch at the back, and if you pull this switch like this and leave, then this police car will run very fast. Wow, this is very nice. I think you friends like this one, pink and red color combination. And see who is there. Two policemen is inside this car, and a little sticker on the top of its head written light police car. Okay, this is very nice. It has two eyes and four little wheels under it. It can run very fast, as you can see. So let's see what is the next. This one is a Tarzan car. Let's drive this. Okay. Wow, friends, see, this Tarzan car can run very fast. Wow, just nice sound, pink and yellow color combination. See, this Tarzan car is looking very nice. There is a little sticker on the head and it is written champion. Okay. Okay, it has a number plate too. I like this one very much, so I'm going to drive the next one. Wow, nice school bus. Let's drive this. Wow, this school bus is looking very smart. Little but it's looking very smart. I think you friends like this color. Its color is very nice, blue, black and red color combination. It has four wheels under it and wow, nice acceleration sound. Very soothing. I think it can run very fast as you can see. Okay, so let's drive the next one. Wow, see what is it? This one is a three-wheeler. Let's see how fast it can run. Wow, friends, this three-wheeler can run very fast. See, this is very nice color, yellow and white color combination. And see what is in the inside the three-wheeler. There are seats for the passengers and drivers. Okay, this is very nice color. Three wheels under it. That is why it is called three-wheeler. This is very lovely. Okay, and a roof put on top of it and it can run very fast. Wow, this is very nice. I think you friends like this one too. So we have completed driving all these vehicles. They are very nice and colorful. Okay, so I'm going to finish this one. Let's see in the next video. Bye bye.